Hi guys, DK388. Today's video I'm going to show you how I install the second set of strip lights to an already existing installation I did about a year or two ago. So first step is to plan and prepare where you're going to put the lights. I'm using the same set of lights from Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. These are the Novostella and they're the tunable and dimmable white lights. So using a bit of off-cut strip, just planning where I want the LED strips to come out of. So I've decided there's a small enough gap just above the skirting just to fit a thin strip of LED light. So that's where I'm going to start off, and next I'm going to use some aluminium profiles to fit the lights into. So I'm just measuring it up and cutting it, using a bit of a jigsaw with a metal blade, just carefully cutting through to get a nice square clean cut. And next I'm using a bit of double-sided tape and just mounting onto the back panel of the breakfast bar, just the underside. Make sure that's all in, ready for the strip lights to be installed and pulled through. So next step is the power. Since we've already installed the Plinth Lights already on the kitchen side, we've already got some power located under the kitchen cabinets via extension lead. So now I'm just using a cable rod, unravelling all the strip lights, and then I'm going to sort of prod it through above the skirting. As you can see, I'm doing now, just using the cable rod just to get it into that gap above the skirting. And once it's got a bit poking out, I can use some needle nose pliers and then just pull all the cable through carefully, delicately as can. And once that's all pulled through, I can sort of do some testing, power it up, make sure everything is all working, and then loosely place the strip light into the channel, just to make sure I'm happy with what it is. Good thing about using the same set of lights from Novostella is the one-to-many setting, where one control can control two or more lights. To set it, once you switch it on, you've got to hold the cool white button and it blinks, and that sets the remote control to operate two sets of lights. As you can see in this demonstration, just testing the different colours and the brightness as well. I'm just playing around with the configuration to make sure I'm happy, and once that's done, trim all the lights to suit the profile, and then using the pulling the backing off the lights and then mounting them inside the channel, and then putting the lens cap on with the diffuser bit. Just push fits into the aluminium trunking, and then for the cut end there's these plastic caps you can just push in just to finish it off. And then as you can see, it's all done. And then this is just a nighttime testing, just to see the full effect of the lights. As you can see here, using the one remote, you can set it to nighttime mode, or you can cool white, warm white, and then obviously natural white. And then just testing as well the uplights above the wall units, which is another separate installation. I'll put a link in that as well. And then this is the finished result. So overall, it probably took me about maybe an hour, 2 hours altogether. And this is the previous installation of the kitchen plinths on the kitchen side. As you can see, it's still functioning well after I think it's 2 years now. And yeah, just adding a bit more feature lighting to the kitchen. Thanks for watching.